I'm here at Niemer Jeep today to give you a look at one of my favorite colors, a limited edition color for the 2021 Wrangler, and that's Gecko Green Clear Coat. If you like to stand out, this is the color for you. Just like the Nacho that we had last year, we now have the Gecko Green limited edition color. Here it is in the Rubicon. And that first one you saw was the Sport. If you know anything about the Rubicon, it is meant for much more than what we're doing right here, just driving it up a little rock pile. This thing is built from the factory to go anywhere. If you haven't been inside of a Wrangler in a few years, come check it out. Completely modernized interior, but still just as capable as what you'd expect from the Wrangler brand. You can see that green goes right through the interior. And then the Rubicon red up front. So again, this is the Gecko Green Clear Coat, a limited edition color. We've got one in the top end Rubicon trim, as well as the Sport trim. When these are gone, they are gone. They are a special edition color again. Again, that beautifully modern design on the inside as well of the Sport trim. You can see all the details for both of these vehicles online, Niemer CJDR of Queensberry.com. And you can bet that these are equipped for the off-road as well. Thanks for watching.